Apple's much-anticipated iPhone SE 4 is generating buzz as rumors point to an April 2025 release. This mid-range device is shaping up to be more than just a budget option. It's poised to redefine Apple's market approach. Let's explore the leaked details, possible features, and why this could be Apple's secret weapon for reversing declining sales. A shift in launch timing. Why April 2025? The iPhone SE 4, rumored to be Apple's budget-friendly answer to the iPhone 16 series, is now expected to debut in April 2025, diverging from the traditional March timeline. Industry expert Mark Gurman suggests this move aligns with the release of iOS 18.3, indicating a strategic launch to leverage Apple's software ecosystem. Although Apple hasn't officially announced the launch, multiple reliable sources echo the April release speculation. This timing may not be coincidental. It could reflect Apple's response to global market challenges, particularly in China, where the company is losing ground to competitors. Why the iPhone SE 4 matters for Apple's global strategy. Apple's challenges in China have been well documented. Renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has highlighted a concerning 6% decline in iPhone shipments year-over-year for the first half of 2025. Even in a stable smartphone market, Apple shipments in China dropped by 10 to 12% in December. This decline is partially attributed to the underwhelming performance of the iPhone 16 series, which has yet to deliver the full suite of Apple Intelligence features. However, the iPhone SE 4 might turn the tide. With a rumored complete integration of Apple Intelligence, this device could be the breakthrough Apple needs, not just in China, but globally. Game-changing features. What makes the iPhone SE 4 special? If leaks are accurate, the iPhone SE 4 will feature significant upgrades that could rival premium models. Here's what's rumored. Processor power. The device might include either the A18 chipset or last year's A17 Pro, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This configuration ensures smooth performance, especially for AI-driven tasks. Display upgrade. Moving from LCD to OLED, the iPhone SE 4 will deliver vibrant visuals, a feature previously reserved for higher-end iPhones. Camera excellence. A revamped 48MP single-camera system promises to elevate mobile photography, aligning with Apple's focus on computational imaging. Charging and connectivity. With USB-C compatibility, MagSafe charging, and faster data transfer, Apple aligns with global standards while enhancing user convenience. Affordability meets premium. While the current iPhone SE starts at $429, the new model is expected to launch at $499, offering flagship-level features at a competitive price. The role of Apple Intelligence. The most exciting rumor surrounding the iPhone SE 4 is its integration of Apple Intelligence. This suite of AI-driven features could include advanced Siri capabilities, smarter photo and video processing, and potentially an AI assistant tailored to streamline daily tasks. By debuting these features in a mid-range device, Apple could democratize its AI innovations, making them accessible to a broader audience. Competition and challenges in key markets. China remains a critical market for Apple, but it's also where the company faces its toughest challenges. Brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo dominate the mid-range segment, offering cutting-edge features at competitive prices. The iPhone SE 4, with its rumored specifications and pricing, could be Apple's ticket to regaining lost market share. But Apple's strategy isn't just about hardware. The integration of iOS 18.3 with the SE 4 underscores Apple's emphasis on ecosystem value. By tying its devices closer to its software, Apple creates a seamless user experience that rivals struggle to replicate. Beyond the iPhone SE 4, what else is in store for 2025? Apple's roadmap for 2025 appears packed with exciting launches. Bloomberg reports an updated MacBook Air lineup could debut early in the year, setting the stage for a year-long product release strategy. This staggered approach aims to sustain consumer interest and keep Apple at the forefront of tech conversations. The iPhone SE 4 might kick off Apple's spring lineup, but the company's broader strategy seems designed to ensure every quarter brings something new to the table. This approach is especially crucial as Apple looks to navigate a challenging global market. Why the iPhone SE 4 could redefine Apple's future. The iPhone SE 4 isn't just another device, it's a statement of intent. By combining flagship features with an accessible price point, Apple positions itself to win over both loyal fans and budget-conscious buyers. If the device delivers on its rumored potential, it could become a cornerstone of Apple's strategy to regain momentum in 2025 and beyond. Engage with us. What are your thoughts on the iPhone SE 4 and Apple's strategy for 2025? Could this be the game-changer Apple needs to reclaim its market position? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Technology Review for the latest tech insights and join our Telegram community for exclusive leaks and updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content.